In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print to the edge of your document in Microsoft Word, using borderless printing so your images go right to the edge of the page. Let's start with an important bit of context. Most printers can't actually print all the way to the edge by default. They keep a small, unprintable margin around the page, which is why you often see a thin white border even if your picture looks like it fills the page in Word. To get around this, you need two things: a document that's set up correctly in Word, and a printer that supports borderless or edge-to-edge printing. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and make sure your image or background actually extends beyond the page edges. If you're placing an image as a full-page background, insert the picture, then resize it so that it slightly exceeds the page boundaries on all sides. This is called adding bleed. It helps avoid a sliver of white if the printer is off by even a millimeter. Next, check your page size and orientation. Go to the layout settings and confirm that the paper size matches exactly what you're going to load into your printer, such as A4 or letter. Also confirm the orientation, portrait or landscape, matches how you want the final print to look. Misaligned settings here can cause Word or the printer to shrink your content, which brings the white border back. Now, adjust your margins. Still in the layout area, set the margins to the minimum allowed, or choose a no margins preset if it's available. Some versions of Word will warn you that your margins are outside the printable area of the page. That warning is based on typical printer defaults. Since we're aiming for borderless, you can accept the adjustment for now. But remember, we still need to enable borderless mode in the printer settings. When you're ready, go to Print. In the Print window, choose your printer, then open the printer properties or preferences. Look for options labeled borderless, edge-to-edge, or photo printing. Turn that on, and if there's a scaling option, set it to 100% or fit to page without borders, not shrink to fit. Finally, load high-quality paper, especially if you're printing photos or designs, and do a test print first. If you still see a thin border, go back. Nudge the image slightly beyond the edges again, and reprint. With these adjustments, your Word document should now print with your image right up to the edge of the paper.